As early as now, I want to share to you the 4 A's as you continue your journey to become the most promising and trustworthy members of the PNP organization. First, all of us should develop aptitude, which means enhancing the essential knowledge, skills, and abilities needed in the performance of our duty as law enforcers. We must strive to gain honor, not only for ourselves, but for the entire Pro-Calabarzon and the entire Philippine National Police,
willing to risk his life so that others may live. Please help me in welcoming the Regional Director of Pro-4A, Police Brigadier General Antonio Candido Yara, represented by our DRDA, Police Brigadier General Greg Buljalbal, sir, my upper class.
You have reached this far and successfully surpassed the difficult phase of your training. I have learned that this class is a product of faceless and nameless recruitment. You must be very proud that you were accepted in the Philippine National Police by virtue of your qualification. Ito po yung mga piling-pili. Ito po yung mga the best and the brightest nung panahon na kayo ay nag-a-apply. Bear in mind that you still have a long way to go. Huwag niyong sayanin ang napakagandang oportunidad na binibigay sa inyo na mapabilang sa hanay ng kapulisan.
Public Safety, Special Force, Os 2021, Mas Siluan, ready for information, sir.
Class Makalisag 2021-01, Class Alpha Tupilo, effective today. Congratulations!
Bilang alagad ng batas, tulungan natin ang ating gobyerno upang mas lalo pang maisayos ang ating bayan. Because we believe on your qualifications, we have high hopes for you. Once again, my congratulations to all the members of PSPLC Class 2021-01 Makalisag. May God bless you towards the end of your training. Magandang umaga at muli, mabuhay tayong lahat.